can we have interest of the ANC at heart and argue for the ANC? Don't tell me that so-and-so's interest is this. Even PA got K10 at least in Endwe Melai. K10 will tell you, I'm a brewer, Khanisios, Baizani. Rina Arna Niximos, we know I was Baiza, why we? Nati must get 30, says Simeng and Doyetu. At least say, I didn't have the mandate of the party, let me go. Not that when I've met Mbalula Ziatu, I tell comrades the other day that, comrades, it's like running a board. I'm the Secretary General, but I'm accountable. I'm at Luthuli House. The president is not here, he's out of the country. The president cannot come in the country and here, SG have agreed with Sasavona to take a big decision. I will be suspended, summarily. It's like a CEO of the board who takes a decision to transfer billions without talking to the board. We read about these people, they are suspended, they are dismissed. No, I must preside over the carcass of the ANC. Big decisions are taken and the organization doesn't know. And it's not like I'm sitting on the job at Luthuli House. I'm not being briefed. Under the but no quarantine. Do you want to say announce a P? That in no ways. You announce that thing, you are on your way out.